Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend. We're officially on to lesson 4, so I'm going to do a quick little overview of what you're working on today, and then you guys can jump in and get started. So, the lesson today is on civic mindedness, and there's kind of 4 parts to today. So, part number 1 is you're going to watch these 2 videos, one or both of which are on Indigenous is a civic issues through an Indigenous lens. One is a YouTube link, and the other one's going to take you to a TVO link. So the first one, which is Indigenous Changemakers, is going to take you to this 9-minute video by CBC Kids. If the link doesn't work, you're all welcome to just copy and paste the URL, and then it should take you to the YouTube. The second video you're going to look through is called Everyone Plays a Part, which is going to take you to this TVO link, and you're going to watch that video and reflect on the important ideas that it presents. That's step 1. Step 2 for today is you're looking through lesson 4, Are You Civic Minded?, which is taking you to a module that should look pretty familiar with all the different activities, as well as the sort of hands-on, not hands-on, but clickable links to sort of work your way through. You're working your way through all of the information. You're completing the civic inventory. This should be just kept in your notebooks or your OneDrive or however you're taking your notes for the class. So that's sort of the next thing. And then finally, you're going to watch this TED Talk called Everyday Leadership by Drew Dudley. You're going to watch the video, and then you're going to do a little bit of a reflection and then hand it in down at the bottom. Okay? For the reflection, if you go into the hub, yours will look a little bit different, but something like this. You sort of have a couple options. So option number 1 is you're welcome to upload a file with your work typed out. If you don't want to do that, you can also just submit an audio recording, and I'm happy to listen through your thoughts. Look something like this down on your end as well. You just can talk from 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll listen through it. There is also a rubric attached, so if you're someone who likes to kind of look at how I'm marking things, go through the rubric, make sure you're answering all of the questions, hitting on all of the key ideas, and then you're submitting your work for today. Alrighty, Rue. Well, that's everything for me. Good luck, and as always, my office hours will be from 10 to 11 if there's anything I can do to help.